Today we discuss some problems on RH criteria. Here see here one problem is here the s power 4 plus 8s cube plus 18s square plus 16s plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the problem. For this problem we find the stability of the system by using RH criteria. Here first already we know that in order to find the stability of the system, first one is the step 1 is common procedure is here the step 1, here the all the poles located on left side of the S plane, here the left side of the S plane. Next one is the second one is no missing terms are present in a characteristic equation. This is the characteristic equation. Here the order is the 4. This is the fourth order equation. Here the degree is the 4. In this equation, here the s power 4, s power 3, 2, s power 1, s power 0. That means there is no degree missing. Okay na? Here the s power 4, s power 3, s power 2, s power 1, s power 0. That means there is no degree missing is nothing but it is the another condition. It is the stable system. Next one is third one is the coefficients of the characteristic equation. The signs of the characteristic equation is the positive signs. Here this is the plus, this is the plus, this is also plus and plus. There is no sign changes. Okay na? Here the satisfied these three condition. Here the satisfied these three condition is nothing but system is said to be stable. System is stable. Okay na? Here by using RH criteria, the given system is what type of stable? Marginally stable or limitally stable or absolutely stable. Here now we find by using RH criteria. See here in order to find this one, here the s power 4, s cube, s square, s power 1 and s power 0. Okay na, these are the degrees. Next one is here the s power 4, is the even term, is the coefficient of this s power 4 is the 1. Here the next one is the 18, next one is the 5. Okay na? Next one is the s power 3, is nothing but here 8, here 16, here 0. Okay na? Here the in this s power 3, here the 8 and 16, here the divided this equation by 8. Okay na? So divide by equation with 8, we are the we will take the common 8. So 8 common is there, this is the 1, this is the 2. Okay na? This equation rewrite again here s power 4, s power 3, s square, s power 1 and s power 0. Okay na? Here s power 4 is the 1, 18, here the 5. Here the s cube is the 8 common is the 1, 2, 0. Okay na? Here here multiplied here 1 into 8, 18, 1 into 18 minus 1 into 2. Here I am multiplying here 1 into 18 minus 1 into 2 by here the 1, that is equal to 18 minus 2 by 1, that is equal to 16. Here the s square is the 16. Next one is the here the 1 into 5, here the 1 into 0. 1 into 5, 1 into 5 minus 1 into 0 by 1. Here we will get the value is the 5. Here this is the 5. Okay na? Again these are the no coefficients, is just put is the 0. Here again here the 16 into 2 minus 1 into 5. Here the 16 into 2 minus 1 into 5 by 16, that is equal 32 minus 5 by 16. Here the 32 minus 5 by 16 is nothing but, here by simplifying this equation we will get here the approximately 1.7. okay na. Again 16 into 0 minus 1 into 0 is not by 16 is nothing but 0. This is also 0. Next again multiplied with this one, here the 1.7 into 5 by minus 16 into 0 by, here the 1.7, here the 1.7 cancel, here we will get the 5. okay na. Here this is the row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4, row 5. Again these are the values is the 0. okay now by considering this one, here in this first column, these are the column 1, column 2, column 3. okay now in this equation by using RH criteria, in this first column elements are, by observing this first column elements, in this first column element there is no sign changes. First thing, there is no sign changes. okay na. These all are positive coefficients, the positive values. Next one is the, there is no zeros, there is no zeros. okay na. That means the all the poles in this characteristic equation is located on, this is the x and real axis, this is the imaginary axis. These poles are located on left side of the s plane. These values are located on left side of the s plane. That means the system is said to be, here conclude that here the result here the system is said to be here the stable system. The system is the stable system. Here the first condition is, the first conclusion is the system is the stable. okay now how can you justify the given system is a stable or unstable? Here the based on location of poles. Here the poles in this characteristic equation is the poles is located on left side of the s plane. Here the left side of the s plane. okay na. By concluding this step, by using this step, here the system is said to be stable system. okay na. This is the one type of problem. Now we will go for another one problem. See one more problem, that is the type 2 problem. Here the type 2 problem, here the equation is s power 6 to s power 5 plus 8 s power 4 plus 12 s cube plus 20 s square plus 16 s plus 16 equal to 0. This is the type 2 problem. Here we find the stability by using RH criteria. First we know that the poles are located on left side of the s plane, left side of the s plane. Next one is the no missing terms are present, no missing terms. Next third one is no sign changes, no sign changes. okay na. Here here the satisfied these three condition. Next we go for the RH criteria. Here in this RH criteria, here the highest degree is the 6. okay na. That means here the s power 6, s power 5, s power 4, s power 3, s power 2, s power 1 and s power 0. Here the s power 6 is nothing but coefficients are the even coefficients, that is the 1, 8, 20 and 16. Here the s power 5 is nothing but odd. Here the odd coefficients are, here the 2, 12 and 16. Next one is the 0. So in this equation, here the 2, 12, 16, these are the odd coefficients. Here the odd coefficient, here the divided this equation by 2, here we will get this, the value is the 1, this is the 6, this is the 8. okay na. Here see, here the here we find s power 4, s power 3, s square, s power 1 and s power 0. Here 1 into 6 minus 1 into 8 by 1 into 6 minus 1 into 8 by 1, that is equal, here we will get, here the value is the 2. Okay na, 1 into 6 minus 1 into 8, we will get minus 2. This is the minus 2 value. Next, 1 into 8 minus 1 into 20. Here the 1 into 8, here the 1 into 8 minus 1 into 20 by 1, that is equal to minus 12 by 1 is nothing but minus 12. Here 1 into 16 minus 1 into 0 by 1 is nothing but 16. Okay na, 16 is nothing but, here we have same answer, we will get the 16, sorry 1 into, sorry 8, here the 8 separated here. Okay na, so here 8 separate chesam, here we will get, this is the value is the 8. Okay na, this is the 8, here this is the 8. Okay na, separate two common, again here the minus is separated, minus is common, here we will get, here the 1, this is the 6, this is the minus 4. Okay, here again s power 3, here the s power 3 is the 1 into 6 minus 1 into 6 by 1 is nothing but, this value is the 0. Here also, here the 1 into 8 minus 1 into, here the 1 into 8, 1 into 8 minus, here the 1 into 8, or the, this is the same value, here the 2, here the 1 into 8 minus 1 into 8, here the 1 into 8 minus 1 into 8, here we will get the, this is also we will get the value is the 0. Okay na, here this is the equation, in this equation these two terms, these two are the zeros. Okay na, here in this case, here the 1 into 8 minus 1 into 8. Okay na, here the, in this case this the value is the 0. The 0 is nothing but, after multiplying these values, these values is the s power 2, s power 1, s power is the 0. Okay na, in that case, instead of these zeros, here we consider the auxiliary equation. Here the auxiliary equation is nothing but the previous order. Previous order is the s power 4. Okay na, here the s power 4 is the auxiliary equation. By considering this auxiliary equation, the value is, here the s power 4 plus, here the 6 s power 4 plus, here the 6 s square plus 8 is equal to 0. By differentiating this one, here this, let's assume a. Okay na, by differentiating this one, dA by ds, we will get equal to 0. Here the 4s cube plus 12s plus 0. Okay na, the coefficient is the s power 3 is a 4 and 12. Here the, in the place of 0 and the 0, here the substitute these coefficients, here the 4 12, again we separate the 4 separate is the, here the s cube plus 3s plus equal to 0. Here the coefficients is 1 and 3. In the place of 0 and 0, here the substitute 1, here also substitute 1. Okay na, after substituting these values, again we find this, here the multiplied this the value, here the 1 into 6 minus 1 into 1, here the 1 into 6 minus 1 into 1 is the 1, is nothing but, here the value is the 6. This is the 6 value. Okay na, again 1 into 8 minus 1 into 8, 0 is nothing but 8, again is the zeros. Okay, here next one is the 6 into 1 minus 1 into 8, again here the 8 minus 1 into 6 by 6. Okay now we will get 0.33 approximately. Here this again values is the zeros. Here the 0.33 into 8 minus 6 into 0, 0.33 is nothing but 8. Okay na, that means if the rows, in a rows, the two columns are the zeros. the two columns are 0. In that case, here the zeros, these two columns are 0. In this case, we consider the auxiliary equation. Here the auxiliary equation is nothing but previous equation. Okay na? By considering this one, here again we write down the values of s power 6 to s power 0. Okay na? Their values is the 1 1 1 and 1 6 0.33 and 8. That means there is no missing terms, that means there is no zeros elements or the non-zero elements in a column. Next one is the, here the no sign changes. There is no changes. There is no sign changes means the system is said to be stable. But here consider the zeros values. In place of the zeros, we are consider the auxiliary equation. In that case, the system is said to be here the limitedly stable or marginally stable okay na? Here by using RH criteria, here the system is said to be what kind of stable, marginally stable or limitedly stable or conditionally stable. Okay na? Here we find the values of x. Here by considering this auxiliary equation, here the s square, here the s power 4, here the s power 4 plus 6 x square plus 8 is equal to 0. Here in this equation, here we find the s values. Here the s square, let's assume x. Here the x square plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. We find the roots minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. By substituting this equation, we will get the values. Here the values are the minus 3 plus or minus 1. Okay na? That means minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to minus 2 and minus 4. By substituting this equation here in terms of s square, here the s is equal to the under root of x. That means here the s is equal to under root of minus 2 okati, here the s is equal to under root of minus 4. Okay na? Here that values of this equation, here the plus or minus, here the under root of root 2 j, this is the imaginary, another one is the plus or minus 2 j. Okay na? Here the imaginary, this is the conditionally stable system. This is the marginally stable or the conditionally stable system. This is the another type of the problem. Okay na? Next one is, here next is the type 3 problem. Okay na? Type 3. Here the total we have the three types of problem: type 1, type 2 and type 3. Here type 1 problems are there is no zeros. Here the type 2 is the here the two columns in a row is the zeros. In that case, we consider the auxiliary equation. Here the third one is, here this is another problem. Here see here the s power 5 plus s power 4 plus s cube plus 2s square plus 3s plus 5 is equal to 0. So same satisfied the above conditions. Again we go for the stability by using the RH criteria. Here directly we go for the stability of the RH criteria. See here the s power 5, s power 4, s power 3, s square, s power 1 and s power 0. Here the odd 1, 2 and 3. Next one is the 1, 2, 5. Here the 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 by 1, 0. 1 into 3 minus 1 into 5. Okay na? Here the 1 into 3 minus 1 into 5. Here 3 minus 5 is nothing but enta, here the minus 2. Okay na? This is the minus 2, this is the 0. Here by using this equation, here the s power 3, the first column element is the 0. If the multiply this 0 with this equation, these values, we will get the 0 values. Okay na? But it is not correct. Here this type of problem, here the instead of 0, here we consider one is the constant value or some constant. by using that constant we find the total stability of the system. Here in place of 0, here I am substituting some one constant value, that is epsilon value. Okay na? In this case, here the again multiplied with the s power 5, s power 4, s cube, s square, s power 1 and s power 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. In the place of 0, I am substituting epsilon. Here the minus 2, 0. Here the multiplied this one, 2 into epsilon. Here the 2 into epsilon, minus into minus plus by 2 by epsilon. Okay na? Here the value is the 2 epsilon plus 2 by epsilon. This value and this. Next is the epsilon into 5 by minus 1 into 0 by epsilon. Here the epsilon cancel, we will get the value constant 5 and 0. This is the fourth row number 4, row number 3. Next s power 1, again this value multiplied this 1 and minus 1 into epsilon into 5. Here we will get here the finalized value minus 5 epsilon square plus 4 epsilon plus 4 by here the 2 epsilon plus 2. This is the value obtained s power 1. Okay na? Let's assume d1 instead of total value here representing d1. Okay na? Here the next one is obviously 0. Next here the d1 is multiplied with the 5 minus this is the value is 0, d1 cancel, here we will get only 5. Okay na? Here again finding this value in the place of epsilon you are the substitute 0. Here in the place of epsilon we are substitute the 0. In that case we will get the here the s power 5, s power 4, s power 3, s square, s power 1 and s power 0s are here s power 5. Here the 1, here the I am writing only first column elements 1, here the 1, next s power 4 is also 1, epsilon plus here the substitute 0, this is the 0. Okay na? Again this value substitute here the 0, 0 by here by substituting these values. Okay na? Here we will get the some value, that is the value is the here the 2 epsilon, here the 2 epsilon 0 by 0 is nothing but here the infinity. Again I substituting here 4 by 2, here the nothing but 2. Okay na? Here the minus 2, this is the 5. Okay na? By considering this equation in the first row elements, the first column elements in this equation, here the sign changes are present and zeros also present. Okay na? Here such kind of system or the such kind of system is said to be here the unstable system. This is the unstable. Why? Because in this first column element is consist of one is the sign changes, another one is the zeros and infinities values. Okay na? Here in order to define the stability of the system, we are consider the finite values. We are not consider the infinite values. Okay na? The system said to be the bounded output equal to bounded input within the limited values, that is nothing but finite values but not infinite values. Okay na? Here this system is said to be unstable system. Okay na? These are the types of problems we by using RH criteria we find the stability of the system. Here the main intention of this RH criteria, we find the obviously what kind of stable, marginally stable or conditionally stable or absolutely stable. Okay na? This is the types of problems we are using by using the stability. Okay na? Here we will go for the one more problem. Okay na? By using open loop system to closed loop system. Here this open loop transfer function, here the open loop transfer function, here the g of s is equal to, here the g of s is equal to k by s into s plus 1 and s plus 2. This is the open loop transfer function. Here the h of s is equal to 1. Find the stability of the system by using RH criteria. RH criteria. In this case, this is converted into closed loop system, that is the C of S by R of S, that is equal to G of S by 1 plus G of S into H of S. Here by simplifying we will get the finalized equation. Here the K by, here the S into S plus 1, S plus 2 plus K. Okay na? By considering this characteristic equation, here the all the poles S is equal to 0, S is equal to minus 1, S is equal to minus 2. These are located on left side of the S plane. Okay na? System is a stable. Okay na? Here we find the value of K. In order to find the value of K, by considering this characteristic equation, highest degree is the 3. Okay na? Here the highest degree is the 3. Here multiplied these values. Here we will get here the S power 3 plus 3S square plus 2S plus K is equal to 0. Okay na? Here the S cube, S square, S power 1 and S power 0. Here the S cube is the odd 1 and 2. Here the 3 and K. Here the 3 into 6 to 6 minus K by 3. This is a 0. Okay na? Here again this is the 0, this is the values, here divided with the 6 minus K is nothing but value is the K. Okay na? That means here the 6 minus K by 3 is greater than equal to 0. Here the 6 minus K is greater than equal to 0. Here the K is less than equal to 6. That means the value of K 0 less than K less than 6. That means the system is stable in between 0 to 6. 0 to 6, that is the stable. This the value of K is the 0 to 6. Here in this way we find the value of K by using open loop to closed loop. Okay na? These are the problems on RH criteria. Okay, thank you.